Big thanks everyone for tuning in again. If you do me a massive favour, pause the video, hit the like button, and please drop me a comment to let me know what you think of the stove after you've watched the video. Doesn't take long at all. So while that water's cooling down a little bit, I will quickly show you around the AeroPress. So the silicone lid just holds everything in the package. So inside we've got a little packet of filters. Comes with its own cup. So you can make decent coffee basically anywhere. You can get hot water really. First thing, I'm going to get one of these filters. Just using one scoop. It's a bit of trial and error to see how strong you want it. So I fill it up to about number 2. Give that a really good stir. Whack it with a plunger and then just gently press down. Until you get down to the bottom and you've pushed all of the water through the filter. So that only makes like a shot of coffee really. So I just add some more water. Let's get some milk and sugar. Might be a bit too much for everybody else. I've got a sweet tooth. Well, that certainly woke me up. So I'm going to crack the stove back up, get a fry up on the go. So we don't need this bit of the Jetboil now, put that to one side. I'm going to use the frying pan or pot support. So these little support legs just fold out, or open out should I say, and fold back in when not in use. And that just rests on top of the stove. Don't need that. So I've got the Jetboil pan You know me, had to get the utensils with it as well. The frying pan comes with a spatula that just clips in and out of the handle. Just push on there, that pops out, and you press these two together and then it folds out. What I do like about it is these little ridges on here, they fit in with the little ridges on the pot support, so it makes the pan very sturdy. You can't just knock it off easily. Let's get it fired up. Just using a bit of this spray olive oil. I'm going to try and get it so the pan's as level as possible, otherwise all your oil runs to one edge. We get the sausages on the go first, they take the longest. In the current climate, you can't be too careful when it comes to keeping your hands clean. That's coming on alright, isn't it? Got to try and make room for an egg in there as well. Possibly a few beans, but I'm not a big baked beans fan. Can get an egg in there, look. Just because we can stick a few beans on the side as well. I've been really impressed with the non-stick surface on this. Only time will tell how durable it is though. So I reckon that's all done enough for me. Won't be eating it out the pan because I don't want to be using sharp knives and stuff on the surface. Got to take a photo for my thumbnail though. What do you reckon? That's job done. Let's crack on and eat it. I don't like juice in my beans, so before anyone says they're dry, not a big tomato sauce fan. See, everything just scrapes off dead easy. Awesome. Still a little bit of runny yolk. Don't drop. Full English butty. Do you call it a butty where you're from? I think I've done alright there. Just left a couple of beans. So last night was the Great British Camp Out for NHS staff. So that's the reason I've got the tent up in the garden. Check out that group and just have a look at how many people were out camping in the gardens last night. So again, with the Jetboil, I cooked a feast last night. I had a pork steak with mushrooms, and believe it or not, I even cooked chips with a Jetboil. Pretty sure I cleared my plate last night as well. So it wasn't a cold night last night. I think it went down to about 6 degrees. I was toasty warm in the Rab Mythic Ultra. I was on the X-Bed pad again. I find I sleep a little bit better on that than I do the Thermarest. It was also my first night out in the Lanshan 1 since I had to abandon ship when the lightning storm hit on Kinder Scout. Let's have a look how easy this is to clean. So you can see there's a few bits that are stuck on there. But they're just rubbing straight off with just a wipe. No scouring pad or anything like that needed. Look at that. I'm super impressed with the non-stick coating on this. Job done. So as you already know, I've got loads of stoves. But this one's now jumped to the top of the league table for me. I really do like it. And with the frying pan as well, it's not a great deal that I can't cook. But I'd like to know what you folks think. So while I crack on with tidying up this mess, you can get yourself a drink, sit back and watch this video here. So thanks again for watching. Make sure to do all the good stuff like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.